Arise News book editor and CEO of the Human Online Bookstore, is Marva Allen, and she joins us with some more great must-reads this evening. Hey, how are you?
I'm great. Good to see you.
Good to see you, too. You have three very interesting books here.
Yeah. Okay.
This is called
Network to Increase Your Network. Now, you know there are about 1,000 networking books on the marketplace, right? This is different. It's written by women, 30 of them. And you will be surprised to find out what they talk about in this book. So, don't go to a network event if your hormones aren't in the right place, because you make a mess of it, and you'll see how women can collaborate. They collaborate in joint ventures instead of the competition. So all of the things that we sort of found out about in the Athena Doctrine is what these women are talking about in this networking book. So how do you multiply your network by my partnering with you and partnering with another person? It's just amazing. And I mean, the hormone one really got me.
I was going to say, you hooked me right there.
And you don't have to have these elevator stories. You just have to be authentic, compassionate, listen, be nosy, be a yenta is what one of them says.
Oh, right. Always winners you bring to us. Marva Allen, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We'll see you next week.
See you next week.
We'll see you tomorrow. This is Arise America. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day. Bye-bye.